Huawei has officially launched its much-anticipated Mate 70 series, and all eyes are on the Mate 70 Pro Plus, which promises to redefine the flagship smartphone experience. With cutting-edge materials, powerful AI features, and a sleek design, Huawei is setting a new standard in the smartphone world. Let's dive deep into the impressive attributes of this remarkable device. The Mate 70 Pro Plus is a perfect blend of artistry and durability. The rear panel showcases a unique fusion of gold threads and brocade fiber, resulting in a textured nylon surface that is not only visually stunning but also incredibly tough. This combination enhances both the look and feel of the device, making it an aesthetic masterpiece. To complement the rear, the frame of the device is crafted from a high-brightness basalt titanium alloy, which is designed for maximum strength, scratch resistance, and superior drop protection. With this, Huawei has successfully achieved a harmonious balance between durability and elegance. The device boasts a breathtaking 6.9-inch LTPO OLED display that offers a resolution of 2832 by 1360 pixels. This stunning display can achieve a peak brightness of 2500 nits, ensuring vivid visuals even in bright sunlight. It also features a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, making everything from scrolling through apps to playing games incredibly fluid and responsive. The addition of Huawei's second-generation Kunlun glass further boosts its durability, offering better resistance to drops and scratches than its predecessors. When it comes to biometrics, Huawei has opted for a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, moving away from the usual under-display sensor. However, the device compensates for this change by introducing 3D face recognition, which ensures secure and accurate authentication, adding an extra layer of convenience. Powering the Mate 70 Pro Plus is the cutting-edge Kirin 920 chipset, paired with HarmonyOS 4.3. This powerful processor delivers faster speeds, enhanced efficiency, and smoother multitasking thanks to its large core clocked at 2.5 GHz. Whether you're playing graphic-intensive games or running multiple applications, the 16 GB of RAM ensures the device can handle anything you throw at it with ease. Huawei's camera system on the Mate 70 Pro Plus is a photographer's dream. The primary 50-megapixel camera offers a variable aperture ranging from f1.4 to f4.0, providing stunning flexibility in various lighting conditions. A 40-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 48-megapixel macro telephoto lens ensure that whether you're capturing expansive landscapes, detailed close-ups, or distant subjects, every shot is exceptional. Additionally, the 1.5-megapixel multispectral sensor guarantees true-to-life colors, while the 13-megapixel front camera takes perfect selfies with ease. Huawei has infused the Mate 70 Pro Plus with a suite of AI-driven features that elevate the user experience. AI-enhanced calls provide crystal-clear voice clarity, while real-time conversation translation and automatic summarization make communication effortless. Gesture-based controls, such as AI AirDrop, allow users to share screenshots with a simple hand gesture. Other AI enhancements include noise reduction for better audio quality, improved photo cloning, and AI-powered movement tracking to capture the perfect moment. The AI Heroic Moment feature helps focus on subjects even in crowded frames, while AI Cloud Enhanced ensures sharper telephoto shots.